Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how to turn off restriction in Safari. If you try to visit a website and see a restriction message, follow the steps. First of all, open the settings on your phone and go to the screen time. Inside screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction. Find the web content option and tap it. If it's set to limit adults website or allowed website only, tap it and select it unrestricted. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode. This may be different from your phone's passcode. If you've forgotten your passcode, you can change or disable it using your Apple ID from the screen time settings. Once you've selected unrestricted, you can browse any website without any issues. That's it. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.